Hello everyone, how are we doing? I think I'm gonna do a vlog this week. I've just showered, did a run before starting to pack, so you will see there is crap everywhere in my office, like above, around, literally. There's a lot of things I need to do and get ready before we leave, so I am trying to edit down, and I'm struggling because we're actually going for a month, which is definitely a long time. So I can't do my usual like hand luggage, which I have to be honest, I'm really good at. There's lots of things I need to take with me, footwear, lots of different events. I'm actually gonna be going on a mastermind with my business coach. I'm with Mastermind Sisters, so I'll be there for a week. And then I just figured me and Dave were like, let's take our laptops and just go live in New York for a month. So that's what we're gonna do. And I thought I'd bring you guys with us. Okay, so it's quite dark in my office right now, but I just thought I would show you, like I'm down to the shoes. Currently I have like my Totem ones, Gladiator sandals, flip-flops, St. Agnes shoes, Totem, I'm gonna fall off my chair, the little, what do you call them? Little like flip-flop heel, Hermes Oran sandals, and then the Steve Madden, aka the Hermes dupes. Comfy sandals, because I see New York, you have to do lots of walking. I've got like the basis of things ready, definitely a lot of dresses, and just trying to see like, can I do it all in one suitcase? I'll show you the bags I'm thinking of taking actually. This I thought would be really cute to pack. I'm gonna take my little Chanel vanity, which is actually my makeup bag. And then I think I'm gonna take my black Loewe puzzle, because I actually really like a black bag for summer, especially when I'm wearing a lot of white. So I think that's gonna be it. Oh, and then this little Porto. This like is like a really cute little tiny pouch. So it's like this, it's like a really cute little like fluffy white cloud, and it's really nice for evening. So that is where we're at to so far. Okay, so we just got to our hotel room. We're staying at the Public. This feels very like, is it like Japandi style? Is that what you call it? Where there's lots of wood. I feel like I should do the tour from like where you come in. Bathroom. It has a really cute little, Dave washing his hands. He's like, can I have your approval to be in my YouTube video? Yeah, it's like this little cute little box which has a really nice view of the city. So that is where we are staying. We're gonna get some food because we're absolutely starving. So that is the next plan. Okay, so I thought I would do a quick outfit of the day for the first day in New York. I am doing Totem flip-flops. Hopefully you can see them. Loewe small puzzle bag, and then this dress is old. I think a year ago from H&M. And then the Lee Studio earrings. And that is it for what it looks like a very cloudy day in, not LA, did I say LA? New York. But it's hot, it's really, really hot. So that is first outfit. Okay, so I just thought I'd say hi because I haven't even explained why I'm in New York yet, but while there is this glorious background behind me, I figured I should say hello. So one of the reasons I'm in New York is I am here as part of the mastermind I'm in with my incredible coach, DL Shrum. And there's so many amazing women in this room, and I just feel like every time I'm reconnected with not just the mission I have for Freelancer Freedom, but other women in business who are literally killing it, who are all mission focused and driven by a movement. Something really special happens. And I think there's something special about us all being here in New York as well. One of the main reasons I'm in New York, that and me and Dave, I don't know if I said this already, but we are here just to enjoy a month in New York, working and seeing friends. So I just thought I'd show you how amazing is this skyline behind me. Absolutely incredible. So yes, I am part of a 4-day mastermind with my coach where we are going over our businesses and our movements and thinking about how we can help even more people. It's very, very inspiring. Never did little baby Harry, who's crap at maths, think she would be working on her business today and making something that is changing lots of people's lives and having so much impact. I just didn't think this was possible, and I know this is possible for every creative. So I just want to reiterate, like, nothing bad happens when creatives make money, nothing bad happens when women make money, and we need to shout that from the rooftop. So nothing bad happens when women make money. When creatives make money, like literally that's me doing it right now over New York. But yeah, baby Harry, it's moments like these where I am like, oh my goodness, like I said, you can be the worst at school, you can be terrible at math, you can be non-academic,
You can be neurodivergent, you can struggle with mental health and still go on to build a really successful business that helps people, and it's all available to you.
Okay, so it's the end of the day and I nearly missed my outfit of the day, but I am wearing the two-piece pajama set from that's what I call it anyway, the silk PJ set from Totem, the top and the shorts, Loewe puzzle bag, and then the Totem Gladiator sandals, which I'm so pleased I bought these last year. They're so comfortable. I have been in a conference all day. This outfit was super comfortable, so it's definitely a good choice. And I find being silk, it's actually really good, even in like high humidity and heat. I've had a glass of wine. I'm probably gonna have another one. That is the end of this outfit. Hello everyone, how are we doing? Turns out I'm pretty piss poor at vlogging. No surprise there. We're gonna work on it though, we're gonna work on it. Still in New York, the weather is still insanely hot. I'm having a work from home admin day today, so just trying to get loads of things done. Back in my business, we are launching a new mastermind, which is something I've never done before. I'm so excited. It's called the Industry Icon, and it is for high-level creatives who are already fully booked in their business, but they're looking to scale and looking for the process and what needs to happen in order to generate consistent 5-figure months and build multi-6-figure businesses as a creative. So I'm super excited about that, and a lot of the work I'm doing at the moment is around that. Still in New York, and I'm going to try a little bit better to take you around me today and show you behind the scenes. Day 2 in New York, same earrings again, the Lee Studio, I think it is. Black Loewe puzzle bag. These trousers sold out so quickly, but I bloody love them and I would get them in like well, they only came in one shade I think, but I wish I'd brought more. Trousers are linen from H&M, top is just a white vest top from H&M. And then the shoes are the amazing Hermes dupes by Steve Madden, and they're super comfortable. So this is going to be my outfit for day 2, walking around New York, so I just want to be comfortable. And yes, like I said, these trousers, so good, and we love pockets in trousers. Evening outfit, same earrings. This dress is from Dish, and I'm just obsessed with cutouts in it. Are so beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to be too hot, but we're going to try it. This little bag is from Porto. Go really far back. The shoes are the what are they called? The flip-flop heel from Totem. I kind of like the vibe, like the more casual shoe with the fancy dress. Can we do a sleeve appreciation moment? Because this dress is all about the sleeves. It is linen, so I'm hoping I'm going to be comfortable, even though it is like a zillion degrees in New York and very hot, very humid. But yes, this is my little evening look. Hello, hi. Not gonna lie, this whole vlogging thing, not so good at it, but practice makes perfect. Just wanted to end my New York vlog, and I thought a good way to do this would be to talk about the biggest differences between New York and LA, because a lot of people always ask me like, Harry, why did you move from London to LA? Short answer is I wanted to live near palm trees and I wanted to wake up to sunshine every day. So that's that in a nutshell. And of course it was partly for work and adventure. But when it comes to the biggest differences between New York and LA, one of the things I love most about New York is the energy. So I always say like I have like my heart's in LA, like LA is my home, but my energy is in New York. So I find whenever I come back from New York, I'm always exhausted. Like I have nothing left. And LA is like my tranquil, it's like where I build myself up again. And I like the consistency in LA. LA is definitely home for me, but there is something about New York. There's definitely like a personality within me that I call like New York Harry, who goes there knowing she's gonna like fill her inspiration cup. I find the city, I think it's the architecture, like a big part of it is the architecture there is obviously so different from LA. Again, when it comes to things like style, nowhere does it like New York, like street style especially. Like my favorite thing to do in New York is just to people watch. Like I spent hours just going to get a coffee, people watching, going to get a glass of wine, people watching. So when I think about my hobbies, like just the way I get to appreciate other people enjoy their sense of style. I think it's really why I became a makeup artist. It's why I wanted to work in the fashion industry initially, was this awareness of how people express themselves and enjoy it. If you don't follow Karen Britchick, definitely recommend following her because she has an amazing series called What's Everyone Wearing in New York? And I love that. I live vicariously, like as though I'm in New York through watching that series. But yeah, I feel like LA is my home. It's where I rest. It's where I kind of feel like I can come back to myself. And New York is somewhere that I feel like I like to go now at least once or twice a year to like soak up the, I don't even know if it's the fact that it's fast. It's not that. It's just kind of, the way I describe it is like an explosion of interest. Like there are so many things I notice when I'm there that I'm just drawn to. That, and there's a totem store there, let's be real. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Definitely a little bit rambly, definitely a bit random. I think I'm gonna film a video on things that influencers have made me buy, because I've been thinking about it this month and I'm like, there's a lot of things that I've purchased that have been influenced by other influencers. Don't know about you, but those IG sponsored ads get me real good. Like Instagram ads knows me so well. I've obviously curated the feed I want to see, which we love. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I would love it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and let me know what else you'd want to see. I'm really excited to make some more content for you. So have a wonderful week and I'll see you soon.